Hello and welcome. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you while I tape the back here. Working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. Let's go ahead and get this back taped up. Today I'm going to be doing the same technique I did yesterday. Most of the paintings you see for me are the wet result. That's because I am physically painting that same day. Or you may see that video up later on in the day. And I am doing all the recording and editing, so yeah. The technique I'll be doing is the same one I did yesterday, which is a split base. So I had two different colors, black, white, and then I had some pinks and some silvers, and I did the reverse ring. So it's just, I'm moving clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. That's the reverse ring. That through there, like, whoop, that was probably, that was too much. That was too much. That was actually more than I ever wanted to put there. Yeah, I didn't want that much gold. I'm not happy about this gold line at all. That was too much gold. I couldn't take that, I'm sorry. I gotta save some paint for my layers, but it's gonna be minimal, so I don't need that much paint, but I still need some paint. Let's see if we can meet these two back up. They meet, they met. Line, but hey, they met back up. This that's all I got left for the color. Okay, woo, let's try this again. Much better. Definitely want to distort the symmetry that I had initially when I first started pouring. So I don't want it, which I'm saying is I don't want it as symmetrical. I don't want it symmetrical at all, actually. And it's going to be kind of hard to do that anyway with fluid paint. You do want to create that symmetry. You might have to just use some tape or something. You know what, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use my finger. It's much smarter than these. Work smarter, not harder. Okay. I love the patch of cells here. I love the white area a lot. My cells up a bit, but they'll form back up nice and pretty once I shift this over. I still like this area a lot. I still like the cells that formed. They kind of got a little wonky because I had to keep stretching there. A lot of air bubbles. I'll see how this one dries. I'm actually really happy that I added that gold through there. Just enough gold because I also added it in the layers. I wasn't too sure at first, but I really like this one. Look at this beauty. I'm just so happy I added that gold where I did, and just only a little bit throughout the layers. I love the white. The white section is my favorite. It actually looks like cracks in the ground. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you guys for watching.